Hey friends, Mulberry Cultural Center here with another virtual art cycle class. Today we're going to be creating your very own foosball game. The supplies you're going to need are a large cereal box, some paint, green and white preferably, a ruler, scissors, a hole punch, a pencil, some pieces of cardboard, some cutout figures of goalies, or you can create your own, and some skewers. You're also going to need some tape, some glue, and something to be your ball. Since I didn't have a large cereal box available at the Cultural Center, I took 2 K-cup boxes and taped them together, like you can see here. You just want a long, thin rectangle. Once you got the box the way you want it, you're going to turn it to the side and cut out 2 holes on the bottom of each end like you see here. This is going to be your goal. Now you're going to use your ruler to measure about 3 inches from the end of the box, and that's where your hole punch is going to go. This is going to hold your skewer or your rod to hold your player. As you can see here, you're going to do it on both sides of the box on both ends. And now you're going to paint your foosball field. I'm using green paint, but you can use any color that you like or any color that you have available. Now you're going to take the cardboard pieces that your players are going to be attached to and measure them the appropriate size for your box. Mine are about 3.5 by 2 inches. You want these pieces to be about the same size. Then you're going to take your glue stick and you're going to attach your players to the cardboard pieces that you just cut. Once your players are done, grab your skewers or your rods, whatever you're using as your handles, and mark the middle point on those. Now place your skewers onto your foosball game, and your players should be attached right on that middle mark that you made earlier onto your skewer. You're going to attach both of your players to each skewer, like you see here. Be sure your players can spin freely without hitting the back side or the goal of your foosball game. And there you have it, your homemade foosball table. I hope you enjoyed this virtual art cycle class, and we hope to see y'all soon. Stay safe.